Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper One. With the cost of food rising almost daily and probably going to increase in price as we go along, you need to make sure you're ready to start cooking as economically as you can by using all leftovers and coming up with some recipes. One recipe that is really good, it's actually made out of the Idahoan potatoes. They sell these in long-term storage. This is the best brand that I have found, my wife found. Now regular potatoes are better, but in a pinch, these are good. And we have them all the time now because they're so quick. So you have some extra potatoes left from the night before. What are you gonna do with them? This is a potato cake. Basically, it has the potatoes, leftover potatoes in it, mashed potatoes. It has some fresh garlic. Some garlic powder. It has some fresh chives in it, an egg in it, and the potatoes. Start thinking about what you can do with things. This is fine, regular potatoes are fine, but when you do this and you fry it on the stove and get a little crisp, it is so good compared to just having regular mashed potatoes with some butter, especially on leftovers. So this is something that you could do. You can stock most of these items. It might be in a number 10 can, or you can just use your leftovers. So start thinking, start studying. What did they do during the Great Depression to stretch food? You might say, "Ah, Dave, it's just going to be a little bit more expensive." Yeah, it could be a little bit more expensive, but in some cases, it might not be. You have enough food, so you're going to have to stretch it. And I'm telling you what. You can serve this in the morning if you have chickens with a few eggs, some scrambled eggs and this, and it's gonna fill somebody up, it's gonna get someone going. And the taste alone, I've been on some diets using just my survival food without a lot of spices, and you've probably seen that video. It was very blah, and after just a few days, I don't even know, I think I went a week, it was like, I gotta stop this, but this gets me motivated to eat. And if you got children, and you got to change your diet drastically because you can't get to the store and get fresh fruits and vegetables and foods that they're used to, I guarantee you, your little ones will eat this. Thanks for watching.